delete the IP address for IT, the username that I already using it, you know. I try to remember what was the password. What's that? Ah, okay. Let us talking about future. So we need to work in a login procedure. I was trying to show you guys the system through login. Okay. So what I was looking for. This is the complete administration dashboard. This one, okay? So as you see, for example, for the receipt, it is only 3 forms, as you see here. This is the receipt list, okay? So I made only 4 forms, and this is the receipt. It is examples for each case. You understand me? So every case I give a number to show guys what is the bills, and I make almost explaining for every data is there. Can you see? Everyone can see what I'm doing.
Yeah, your microphone is a little bit small. I don't know.
I'm using Bluetooth. I'm trying to using Bluetooth to make it more. Try to make it more. How's now?
Oh yeah, it's better now.
Okay, I use the two.
Sorry, Nader, but can you share your screen again? And I cannot see your screen. Can you share that again?
No. Give me a minute. I need to stop sharing and we'll make sharing. This time I'll make sharing for only Figma. I will try to make it faster. So the meeting final design. Okay, please. So regarding to this, I try to make the solution less forms. So every forms, I try to reduce it to only two things. In the user dashboard, Radwan, I don't need to show not this one. Yes, this one. So for example, here, I check the design, guys, that you are already doing. And I reduce the design for user dashboard to be this one. So this is the old design I'll show you. This is the old design for user dashboard. Sorry. This is the old design of user dashboard. So you can see how many forms is already there. And I change it to be this one. This one. So I reduce most of the forms and I even make duplicate forms. That means that is the same form you can call. So this is the old design. That you see how many forms in this. And the new design, I change it to make it simpler. So this form, it is already here. So we will try to reduce to make it faster. And what is there? That's mean this one is already there. I check and I make a green check box for the forms that it's already there. But there is some changes or something that I make that need to be checked out. Like I make a cross like this to what is not working in the forms. And whatever it is like what I make it here like number 1. The form that is number 1 here. It is already repeated down there. So as you see here, guys, this is already the same form 1 and 2. It is already used in the same user interface twice. So it is just to build it once and you call it 2 times. So it is here and also here and also in administration dashboard. So this is the administration dashboard, guys, and it is the same one. It is here. It is repeated. So what is my plan is we will use duplicated of the forms to reduce the work and the maintenance. So the old one contained too much forms, and I was discussing with Andrew Muhammad to reduce the forms. Okay, so when we try to reduce the form, I try to run the system online. Each time we try to run it, we have issue in the login. I stop working in the system because I cannot log into the system. Every time I need to log in as a remotely, and I need to look for the password of the administration. And believe me, Radwan give it to me many times, and I forget it because I start using the fish memory. I start having the fish memory. Okay, so it's difficult for me to remember
Yeah.
straighter.
Later
Yeah,
on, can you show?
I try to.
Yeah. Can you later on? Can you show
Yeah,
us?
I need.
Yeah. That and then delete on the thing on the database that you
Yes,
have.
I need to give you. I made decision. Me, Dr. Muhammad, I need to give the design that we reach it, where we reach it exactly to follow me, Daniel. You need to get involved with me because I start using time, working in multiple things at the same time. So that's maybe very slow down. I need somebody to work with me, and also I need every time, every day. We need to start fixing this. I stop it here because I start checking the system, trying to do all the things alone. And not I don't have somebody to work with me. Redwan is already having issues. Muhammad is also having issues, and also I have issues, and I'm only one man. So what I'm trying to do then is like this, checking which form is already there. This is already there. The guys did this search page, the results, and the forms. All this is there. Understand? And this need to change it because it was made from paid by wallet somehow, and just we need to change it. This form is already there. You see, this is about the flag, by the way, and it is already so it will be easy to remove forms much better than fixing all these forms. Because when I check the system, this is the old system. It is too much forms to be checked, and I noticed that there is a lot of things, a lot of work to be done, a lot. Okay, you tell me, Daniel. Oh, thank you, congratulations. We fixed all the bugs. Believe me, Daniel. He uses the system, and there is still bugs. Wallah. You know what? Swear by God, try and we try to push the things forward. So I start working in two directions. One direction is fixing bugs, just too much bugs. Okay, what I have to do? I fit with a fight with Muhammad and Radwan to reduce the form and basic function. You want more functionality? I will move it to the next stage. The guys usually we have to move on. Okay, we can move on. See, by the way, even the laptop that I give to you guys, I see while you're working inside. It was by me. I see what I saw what you are doing in the laptop. The login issue, we need to fix it. Anyway, I need to give you this, Daniel. I need to your opinion, and we have to discuss this. I need to discuss it with you.
Yeah.
So, could you hand over the link, please? Not the old design. This is the old design. This is what I have it now.
Yeah.
It's not the final design. This is the old design.
The final design for user dashboard and the admin dashboard. Okay.
Yes, it is. I reduce a lot of things, Daniel. I reduce a lot of things, and I need to you to work with me in that, and I need to explain for the business analyst how the things is working. So I was working. I told you that in the data sheet. It should be there is a data sheet, even if it is from IC. It is if there is no map written, it will be difficult. It's not even written. It should be even as a draw. I will try to share something with you. I start working. I told you in dashboard. Okay, dashboard. I start working in Where's the presentation? This is the presentation. Give me, I need to show you the document. Yes, it's here. Because while I'm talking with Muhammad and the business movement and the accounting and the wallet procedures, the receipt, invoice system. So I create this. I will share to you. Just give me a minute. This is, I made it as a Word document. This, everybody have a Word. Everyone have a Word document. What's this? Entire screen. Please share entire screen. So as you see here, I start building the design, so the documentation, and so I made how to top up for the wallet and how to top up supplier wallet and the movement of the money and the receipt procedures. Everything I made it with a text. So even how to calculate the profit and these things, I need to make it like this as a demonstration to explain for everybody how the procedure should be, how it should be. And also, I write down something, for how it is should be in written. And in Figma, I start giving the receipt, like as you see, I will show you now. So right now here for the payment, I write down supplier name, for example, supplier ID. So it will be like, supplier ID is just like in a database, like user ID, and I give a real receipt number. That's, you can see and check in the database. It will be related. So what is with wallet, I gave it exactly a number, I gave a ceiling. So it is, like 109, and also this will help to make the relationship between the receipt and the invoice. And that will give you guys a need for here, it is 109 as a terminal, how the money moves from the bank account to the wallet. Also, I write it down here to be showing how the numbers. So I start filling the data and not giving it down to try to help the guys at the design house working. So for the receipt, for example, I only have 4 forms. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you check how it looks like, it is all the same table, so it is actually the same form. So it is from to description and order. But this is one for suppliers, looks like a filter. So actually, if you see, this is 4 different forms, but it is one form design. Just only the name is changed, and it was using a filter. So this looks like a filter, and this is one form. So it is 4 form of less, but it's only one form design. That's about the less. In the invoice, it is the same. It is the same things, with the same strategy I was working. So it is the same tables and the same design with different. So this invoice, for example, here it is supplier invoice and customer invoice. So the invoice is completely the same, and the design will not take long. So this way of thinking is for maintenance. I just need to, if I have an issue, I just have to maintenance once. It's easy to make a maintenance. Okay. For the invoice, I make it like this to as a complicated. That's mean duplicated. But I only put one for each product with no issue. This I give an examples how it will be looks like for flight and hotel. Okay. Here I start make different strategies. So I start building for you guys examples for each. It is one receipt contains from, to, and the detail paid to whom, paid for what, and the amounts, and the type of payment. It is the same text from, to, and the details. Okay, that's mean this will be changed and this changed, but it is the same design. So here it is the same design for the voice, but different data. That is the strategy that I start making it in the design. Also here, it is the same form, but different tables. The line, we did not remove this. It's just only the table needs to be put it here, for example. This is a guy's supplier wallet, and top up the wallet is the same for each. Here is the customer management. Okay, so even the customer management was not there in the design. The rest things was not there. So this design is almost complete design. Even the rules. I put also Daniel, the language management. If you see, join the. You can join me in. Can you join me in feedback? Daniel, can you join me in feedback?
Yeah, but could you send the link?
Yeah, we send the link to our group in WhatsApp.
Mm-hmm.
So as you see, the login is this is the login. I built the setting notification wasn't there, and it is 3 forms. I have language management. It is 2 main forms. I have the user management. It is 4 forms. This is just to activate if it is who have the management that we can log in with the main management for the invoices, supplier, customer. So I make the complete design simple as a main functionality. This is the log management that you are already doing, guys, in user dashboard. It is already there.
Mm-hmm.
So this is already there. The user, the same what you have in the user dashboard. Just we add only the local ID. في حالة شمول والله تعرف عندي مقابلة اونلاين عندي مقابلة اونلاين كيف فصل تجمع على طول. Is only different. That's me. It's the same form that is. But it will be. This will be customers for all users in the system. The same logger table will be shown here. I add the reset or delete. You can for each one. That's rather than go to the issue. That's the booking here. This is the booking. So booking, I reduce it to 2. Booking list and booking queue. That's only in administration. And I have the list and the queue. The queue, the lead actions. If you want to see it, is this the same forms, Daniel, that it is in user dashboard that you are already made? So this is already there. Just only if I need to check it, I click here to be checked. And this, how is there things the booking? It is also the same, should be there. It's the same. Here is the request. So when the customer requests, that is also have been landed there. Only the sequence of showing the forms will be changed. So this all it is showing the booking of the administration dashboard. Okay, I show you. The administration booking dashboard, they reduce it to only this forms. It will be easy to be made. Now, I move now to the next one. This is the customer management. Customer management is only 4 forms. I believe it is there. I don't know. I did not check the system, but this is, just only 4 forms. That's it. Now, this is the IB, the API. So here is the supplier list and add suppliers and supplier payment. That is all what is in the supplier. I put the management, the rule management and the benefit. I added here for the customer, for the products who add the discount, the markup at this stage. I added to the supplier here. All this should be already there in the system. You understand? Okay. So here is the API that is already embedded in administration dashboard. I added in the API. So this needs little change for the mixing the markup here. This is about the API. It's also important connected to API management that we did not reach that point of the API management here. This one is the company wallet. So company wallet, it is the same as supplier wallet, the same as customer wallet. The same structure. The same here is there. So if you notice, you'll see that this looks like a filter. So here, this one, I'm sorry, this one, you see this one, forget about this design, Muhammad, one he did not do it. I will just really show to you that only this as an example is the form. That's the same form. I'll show it to you guys. Okay? So the same form here, you see this form? The same form of the supplier, just only this will be changed for the customer. That is, we try to show how the procedure, and I try to fill the data, not put a dummy data. I will try to give a real data. That's when I need to make the data looks like the real. And this is the top up. So I have a top up for supplier the same way for top up customer. It's only that here if you are working in customer and here you are working in supplier. And by this way, I also reduce all the forms that I have, the too much forms that I have in the old design. The next one is the invoice. I make it that much invoice. I remove the expense. Remember, there's an expense, there's losses. All this I remove it from the system. I just only put here the invoice. That is will happen. There is online invoice that will be happen online, and there is offline. There is some confirmation. So for invoice, it is only 3 forms, and it's contain the same columns for each. The same for supplier and customer was almost the same. Okay? The difference is in the list. Only the that have combinations. The next one is the receipt. So receipt, I have 2 receipts. Receipt with the supplier and receipt with the customer. And there is a company that I can see both. That you can see the same. So it is like filters. And I have the receipt forms. That's for each operation as example. Every example, I make receipt form to see what's the difference and how to fill the data. And the last one is the payment gateway. Payment gateway is very important because I need to deal with like Stripe, PayPal, and the Libyan. And it will be related to the AI management. Guys, this is all the dashboard. I finished the dashboard. This is all. That's all. So as you see, Daniel, I could talk in an administration dashboard within less than 7 minutes. I talk about the administration dashboard in a fast way, of course. We did not fit in the details, but believe me, I can explain for you each details, and this is the main functions. So as you see, I made a huge fight with Muhammad and that one to reduce it to this stage. Okay? So if we start working for the system now. First of all, we need to work in login issues. So after I finish this, I've already, I stop now. I will stop in this stage. I need to work with you, Daniel, in a login. I need to kill this issue. I need to finish it. I need to, I need to log in like me and Radwan and Muhammad and everyone without the problem of the IP login. Okay. Let me explain now for you the user dashboard, please. So user dashboard, this is the old one. I will not talk about it. This is as you see, Radwan, could you give me a link for the old administration dashboard? Old administration dashboard, please. Could you send me something old, not new? We need to. You see, Daniel.
Yes.
I want you to follow me in user dashboard, please. This is user dashboard. Could you follow me?
The either old one or the new one?
Yeah, the new one. What is the new one? The user dashboard, the new one. This is the Google Meet. You sent me Google Meet, Radwan? Oh no. Oh, okay.
Can you send on the group also so I can follow?
Yeah. I will show you. Okay, good. You send me this, and I will make a copy, Daniel, for you. Just give me a minute. What is Zoom? Zoom in. Why my keyboard's not working? My keyboard's not working? You can see, I need to make a copy for you guys. Just give me a minute, Daniel. You know what's the issue is? Why it's not showing?
You can give me the link. I can follow you on the Figma.
Yeah. Yes. This is the admin dashboard. This is the old admin dashboard. Okay. This is admin. Can you see, Daniel? Can you see how much is this administration dashboard? How much forms I reduced? I completely reduced a lot of forms. Can you see this? It is 100 something, it is too much forms. It was too much forms, And I will try to Radwan, I need to make a copy of the. I need to make a copy for the user dashboard, the new user dashboard, please.
We already put it in that new design, Nader. See that there are 2 pages.
This is admin, correct? This is admin, correct? This
yeah,
one.
Go up. See user dashboard.
Where's the?
Nader, you've copied the wrong. You've put it in the wrong page. Wait. We need to delete user dashboard, everything, and copy again. From there. 1 minute. Hold on.
Yeah, okay, please do it. Yeah, please. This is the old design. Could you keep it aside? Could you put it aside and put the new design beside it?
Okay. I'll make this as old. I'll make this as old dashboard. Yeah. I'll make this as.
This is the old dashboard. I would like to make the compare to show Daniel what's
the difference. No problem. I'll 1 minute, Nader.
Okay. So as you see, Daniel, I move any new or different functions. I make it and move it to the next stage. If there is another product, I make a structure. I will show you now what is my meaning of structure. I build a structure that we can add another product, like for example, Visa or car rental, or any other product. We can add it later on based on this design. That means the basis of design that we can add something later on by easy way. That's what I've been thinking about. And till today we have discussion about what's the next stage and how it will be at this phase. One.
Mother, wait.
Okay, I'm waiting. Just wait. I'm happy just only because the connection is very good today. Alhamdulillah. You know? And thank God that the connection is good. You know, it was one of made me nervous when I start talking and I cannot hear the guys.
Another.
Don't tell me that you lose that.
Wait.
Put it somewhere and you forget about it.
There are too many people working on this, so just 1 minute now.
Okay, give me a minute, I will help you, man. I'll help you. Don't worry.
The user dashboard design is missing.
No, I have it. Don't worry, I make a copy. That's good that I have all the time I make copy now. It's old school. Yeah? Okay, I have different copy. Give me a minute.
Guys, we have 15 minutes more. Finish this.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Could you follow me, please, and new design travel here? Could you follow me, please?
Yeah, I'm following.
You see this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, don't do anything. Let me copy this.
I'm not doing it, but Daniel, I keep copy away from that one hand. He start losing. I have too much Figma files.
You need another week to review this.
Yeah.
No.
I make a copy. I make a hidden copy. Okay. Could you, Radwan, put it beside this design, old design?
Yes, Nader.
Yeah.
Sabar.
Yeah. Okay.
Copy pasting also another. You have to be very careful because there are a lot of components which needs to be pasted there. If you don't copy and paste it properly, the components will go missing. So you have to do it properly.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, you can see another now. I've pasted it.
Have you pasted it? Okay.
Yeah.
I cannot see it. Where you pasted? In admin?
In the user dashboard, go to the third page.
User dashboard. Okay. So Daniel.
Yes.
So as you see here, Daniel, follow me.
This
same document file.
Same Figma, right?
But when the files have been moved, there is some correct and this thing is not that thing. Daniel?
Yes.
Could you move the yes? Okay. Do you see this in the left side? This is another story. This is in another stage. It's related to discussion about it. This is the system. Can you see move? Follow me in the mouse.
Yes.
Okay. Here. So this is the login procedure that it is almost already there. It's all this is already almost there. Okay. Here, this is almost there also. I reduced to see this. This is the my booking. So my booking contains only one for product as a hotel and a flight. This is the what is will be shown as a flight and hotel. And this is the offline request.
रोड अभी बहुत
almost most of this is
रोड बना दिया है. नहीं, not only walking, कार में भी जा
That's
सकते
it.
हैं.
This is about my booking. Here is the wallet. This is about the wallet. And this is already there. This is the search. You see, this is the hotel search and the flight search. That is
No,
already
you
there.
don't have to do it. I'm just
So
saying.
this, Radwan, could you mute please the voice?
Oh, sorry.
Radwan. So what's going on here? This is already there. This should be done already. This is done. Wallet, change it to be this only. You see this forms. This is only the wallet. This only my booking. This is the form of my booking. That's it. No more. And this is the login procedure. So if you want to make the compare between this Daniel and the old user dashboard, this is the old, you see this, the old dashboard. Could you follow me? This is the old dashboard. Can you see it?
Yes.
This is the old dashboard. You see how much I reduce? Reduce. You understand? That's the only way, to make the job done faster, and without issues. Because here it will be easily to maintain in a new design. It is very easy to maintain, and most of the forms is already there. Need to be checked well, and it is over.
Okay. Understood.
Okay.
So I believe the user dashboard and admin dashboard is
Yes, it reduces. I want you to be. You see how much I reduce from this? I reduce a lot. You know what? Because finishing the job faster, this is number one. Number two, easy to maintain. And this is the main functions. I'm selling a product, I'm selling a flight, hotel reservation, these things. I need the main things up and running. Later on, guys, this is what I'm saying is for Rahman, Muhammad, Harry, Daniel, everyone in the room. I do this because I want to move any new things. It will be moved to the next stage. That it will be different agreement, different things that we will discuss about it later on. We need to launch the system by the easy function like this. If it is function working properly, my guys will run the system and start collecting the money. The project will be up and running. Later on, we will discuss about what is the next stage, visa and different products, API management. I need to focus about the API management and work in the backend. But the most important things now, I need my guys to start working, So as you see, I work hard, Daniel, to make it by this looking. Believe me, I work hard to reduce it and make it as basic function as this, and reduce all that design. There is something else. The database. I need the guys that is working in the database, and I want you to be involved, Daniel, even as a listener or as advisor or administrator. Consider take whatever position you would like to. I need to talk to the guys that he made the database design, and I need to build the design to be upgradable to the next stages, because we cannot put everything in one stage, guys. To be upgradable, I need to make changes in the database to make it faster, and also to make it work with the design. Because I have a lot of comments in the database design, and I don't want anybody to be worried about it. That should not take time, but I need to make it to be possible to add it for the next stage. As you see, I have invoice, I have booking, and I have receipt. Very simple. If I'm talking to somebody working in the database, you can understand what I'm talking about. So it is triangle. This is the booking ID, invoice, receipt, voila, finished. And we can manage it easily. Okay? Something else that is related to structure of the system. Structure of the system. Guys, you are using service too much. I was talking about the service that it will be in the backend, guys. Please, I don't know. I received a message. I don't know what's the message. Who sent me the message? Just give me a minute. I believe that's in our group. Database. Okay. That one. He warned me that I have to be commitment. If I say that I need to do something, I have to be commitment to doing it. But believe me, Harry, Daniel, Radwan, guys, believe me, I worked very hard. It was very tough job for me to work in this to achieve what I achieved now. Believe me, it was very hard work. I know that I take time, but it was because of what you see. Give me your opinion, Daniel.
Okay.
You see that I make a hard work, or it was just simple job? It's not wasn't simple job, guys.
Yeah, I think the biggest
You know,
one
it
that you
wasn't
work
simple
is
job.
to fence out your partner to achieve this.
You know, yeah, believe me, I was. It wasn't the work with the computer the big job for me. It was talking to my partners, Daniel.
Yeah.
Talking with my partners that it was the hardest job. Because every time discussion when this, how this, and so on. But I gave a promise that to make the system work, we need to reduce it to make the things up and running as fast as possible, guys.
Mm.
You know,
Okay,
and
so
even if
we have only 5 minutes left, so let me conclude here. So this is the definition of done for the UI of user dashboard and the admin dashboard. The things left for you is the structure of database and also structure of the code, right?
yes, Daniel, we need to work. Please, we need to work on the login. Login is the same. Login
Of course.
is common between
Okay, so
the
yeah,
older the old design and the new design. The user is the user issue should be fixed because it is there. It is for the old and new system. It's
understood.
the
So
same.
so
For the new design,
tomorrow,
the new
yeah,
design,
yeah.
it is only removing. So that's mean, as you see, it will be easy job for the guys to removing the old forms, that much forms. Keep it aside to make that simple forms. You know.
Mm. Okay, so
Okay.
tomorrow I
I
will
need to hear your
organize.
opinion.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm
Tomorrow
sorry, I talk too much. So I
don't
need
worry.
to hear your opinion now, Daniel. I need to hear your opinion about
Yeah.
what you saw.
Okay, so tomorrow I will organize with our dev lead and also Mr. Kuong here is the BA to uh, resolve the login issue. So in the meantime, the team will working on the final design of user dashboard and the admin dashboard, and also on the next session after the login, I will involve also the tech lead to work on the database design with you, and we will conclude with the database design and the code structure. I think we don't have time because you see at the end of this week we will have a TED holiday, which will not work for the whole week. We will come back to work at the Monday the 3rd, and then we will continue with the system, the restructure of the code. Is that okay?
For me, it is okay.
Mm,
I just want to hear your opinion about design, Daniel, and it's very important for me to hear your opinion.
yeah.
We work it together, and I know how your mind is working. I know exactly how you think. So my point of view is I need you to take a look for the design. We need to discuss it.
Mm,
Also, I need to talk with you about the database and with the guys for the database for the 1 week of the off. It is okay, but I insist to make a point that the old design
mm,
contain a lot of forms. We reduce most of the forms, guys. That's the best I can do, Daniel, to
mm.
make the project finish fast, easy bugs, fixing
Yeah, yeah,
bugs
we
fast.
yeah we understood that.
It will be finishing fast. I promise my guys. that it will be finished fast because of the reducing the forms. I do the maximum best things that I can do, you know? And I
And
want you to be,
yeah, yeah, then you
yeah, if
have
you
to
will survive,
yeah,
please,
yeah. Okay,
yeah.
so this is the definition of done for the UI. Okay, so please permit me to.
Listen to me. No, there is something else. You see the receipt. I try to fill actual data. That's mean I will try. I'm still working with that to put a realistic numbers. That's mean not blah blah. Like I will put invoice number. I need to make the relation with the receipt and these things. I need to show it to the guys while they're working. What's the relation?
Yeah.
Uh, that will help you if you read the receipt. You'll
Like
see
like.
suddenly, I understand. Also, I
Mm,
need to finish the data sheet. That it should be there. The ICT should have that data sheet while they are working in the system. You should guide me with the data sheet that you build the design with. That will help me to understand more the structure of the design to make it easy to move to the new design. You understand me? That you hand me over. You should hand me over some data sheet that the design have been made of. Like the business analyst, the structure of the form, the database design. They need to have an idea about that. And I'm sorry, there is no private.
no.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, so I'm just getting to the conclude text on the WhatsApp because the meeting run out of time and also it's really late on our side.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. No, no, I
Mm-hmm.
just want to hear from you, Daniel, your
Mm-hmm.
opinion,
Yeah.
because also my partners would like to know what are your opinion about. They are just listening, and I was talking too much, trying to explain for you.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to hear from you, please.
Okay. First, I need to thank you for the hard work that you did uh, to come up with the final design and the reduce user dashboard and reduce admin dashboards. And this will be the good document for us to base on and update the project. So let's agree on that. This is the will be the definition of done, and the design will not be changed. So the second part, yeah, I hope we can do as good to the database part and the structural part, code part in the future. So let me write the conclude here. Mm, yeah,
Daniel,
mm-hmm,
for the design that I give it to you,
mm-hmm,
there is also should be include the static database. The
yeah,
static database need to be configured. I've been talking to the guys about it, and I had no time because the main functionality, like hotel photos that it's not showing and those things that need to be editable. So it should be, I put a place in it, an administration dashboard, but I could not finish it
mm-hmm.
because of the time. As you see, it is one man job. It is difficult, Daniel.
Okay,
It is very
I
difficult.
will from tomorrow I will include the tech lead so you can discuss with him so you don't have to feel lonely about it.
Yeah, well, it is difficult to work alone, very difficult.
Mm,
And my partners would like to see and hear from you. They trust your opinion.
mm,
Okay, so please, I want you to talk to Muhammad and Radwan, please.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay. So yeah, I
Radwan, you
already.
can talk to Daniel.
Mm,
Mohammed, you can talk, Mohammed. Mohammed, are you there?
Yes. Hello. Yes, I'm there.
Please, we want to hear your views.
Nothing. We wait so long for this, and I still waiting for the result. That's what I can to say. Let we wait more time to see the result.
cool.
And now the Nader and Daniel is the leader, so they still the leader. But I need to see the result.
Okay, so I already put the concrete deadline for the database login function and code structure for finalize the I mean I finalize the agreement on the definition of done. Okay, and after
Okay.
in the meantime we will work on the design. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then hopefully we will deliver the project as soon as possible. Yeah, I think with the design.
Daniel,
Yeah.
Daniel, for the design, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I give this design to Ice-T, Daniel, to make the project run faster.
Mm-hmm.
My partners now, they are not strange people, and I told them that I'm trusting in you because of the way that we work together, and we achieve that thing. That's when we achieve what is in 1 month have been done was not done by 3 months. I keep saying that. So I like to work with you, and you did not pay me anything to say this, of course. That's just to inform the guys, okay? I say that even in front of Ice-T company. My plan is, if there is possibility to change the design, to make it finish faster, I could like to accept the changed design to make it faster to be achieved. You know what I mean? That's mean I make this design by this way. But sometimes we need to change something to make the job faster. For me, I can accept that. I have to work with you guys. If there is possibility, Daniel, Radwan is there also. So if they didn't mention that it is okay to change this, I'm talking about my partners. So why not? Do you understand what I mean? My meaning is we have to make what is necessary to be done to finish the project as fast as possible. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, that's my meaning. So if you see, Daniel, I reduce a lot of work a nice team to make the project up and running as fast as possible. You understand me? So we need to, you tell me that we need to make a definition of that. We need to work. I want your opinion about the design. We will not finish the commitment now. That's mean this is the design yet. I need you to check it. I need from you to have a time to take
Not
a look for the design. Please.
Sorry to interrupt. Another 1 minute,
Yeah.
please. Can you allow me?
Yeah,
Sorry to
please.
interrupt you. Daniel, very, very important. See, this is something which we have done, but it's most important is I want Kung to check every single thing, analyze, and if something is missing, please let us know. Okay, because now in that design, an admin design, there is a part called static data. Now, Nadir was not able to complete that part. There could be maybe 2, 3 screens, which he will need to design, but due to a lot of load on him, he could not do it. So please, I request you to please ask Kung because he knows the complete flow, everything. Let him review every screen or
Yeah.
design, and if
Okay.
something is missing, then please let
Uh,
us know.
what I'm trying, it will be, guys, for the static database. It is like an edit, delete, add. It is something related to the database table. It will be simple to be made, but I didn't create it for later on because it is a lot of tables to be added and so on. It's like an editor. This is something I can explain it to the developer. But my mention to you, Daniel, I want you, as Razwan said, check the design, see the process, ask me about anything. I can answer you about the design. Think about it because I want to make the job faster. Okay. And also for the database, we need to discuss about the database. I will show you. I know I will stop a lot of tables. It is nonsense to use it. You understand me? So I want to make it simple, fast. You understand me? To make my partner satisfied. I am not talking behind their backs. I'm talking in front of them, Daniel. So I need project to be up and running because of the branches need to work. We need to launch. You understand me? So that is the deal.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So before we finalization the design, I need your opinion. You understand me?
Understood.
So before we finalization the design, please, I need your opinion, your team opinion about it. And sometimes you will tell me, Nader, this form is already there. We need some changes in that form and it is over. Sometimes you will tell me like this. You understand me? I will hear from you and I want to see, and we can get out in conclusion. Maybe the job will be done in a week or maybe in 2 weeks. I don't know. You understand me? We need to discuss this together. I will not force you. I need to work with, we need to work with each other.
Yeah.
Okay?
I understood. I will work with the team tomorrow to review all of the design and
exactly.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, that's what I want. You understand me? It is not any command and order.
Yeah.
Right now, I need your opinion. Your opinion.
Yeah. Understood.
Okay. Good. Perfect. For the database structure and database and system structure, we need to discuss it also. I need the business analyst. I will start recording video if it is possible. For the how it is the business analyst and how the system work, the flow and these things to make it easy. I believe that it will be. It is too little forms, Daniel. It will be easy to be understood. Do you believe that?
Yeah, I see it already, but I need to take a look deeper into this.
Yes, please. That's what I want from you. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have any comment, anything related to this? What you saw? Please inform us, and we can
Yeah.
have meeting anytime, anyway.
Yeah, we
Okay.
need to be more. Now since we have a complete picture, Daniel, it will not be we will not trouble you. Now you have the final thing, so we have a direction. So we have to be more involved now. We have to work together, all of us. We have to get more involved. We will be more available for you. Any problem, neither is our leader. He will be available with in connection with you. If you need my help, even I am available for you. So we all will
Understood.
be more available for you now, so that we
Mm-hmm.
can finish this, so that
Understood.
all of this will be completed fast. It should
Yeah.
not take much time.
I mean, how I'm thinking about how we can, you know, deliver it to you piece by piece.
No
So
problem.
you can check right away what we
Sure.
did in a day or two. So maybe
Yeah.
we will like we complete this screen and please check like that for every
Correct.
day or every 2 days. It should be
No problem.
would be okay. Yeah.
Daniel, we need to start with the login issue
Mm-hmm.
because it is the same. It is the same in old and in new design. We need to fix the
Yeah,
issue, and
yeah, yeah.
I have an idea,
Mm-hmm.
and I check the system. I fix it manually. That's mean I log in manually, remove some data. It's working, and return back. You know, we will have to discuss. We have to talk about that. Okay.
Okay, yeah, I will schedule a
Okay.
meeting tomorrow with
I think we'll let Daniel go because it's too late now. Daniel?
Yeah. I'm sorry, Daniel. We will meet as soon as you read the design. Check it.
Okay,
You know,
cool.
anytime, please contact me. I will
Mm-hmm.
answer you immediately, even if it is in a private. But we will make arrange meeting. I need Daniel and Muhammad be involved to hear everything with no issue. I take the responsibility about this, and I hope that everything will be fine and working. Okay.
Nice.
I need to hear this from you. Do you
Yeah.
believe I did good job for IST company?
Yeah, you did a very good job.
Well, they have to pay me.
I,
That's will not happen. I know.
I pay you with love and respect.
Okay. Then see you. Okay.
See you, see you. Yeah,
Okay.
see you
Bye.
tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, Daniel. Good night. Bye bye. Thank you very
Good night.
much.
Okay. So,
Bye.
Bye bye.
bye.